What up guys, welcome back to the garage. My name's Oakley. Today we're going to be taking the plate out of a baby grand piano. Thanks for watching. The first thing you want to do before you loosen any of your nuts is to take some shims or wedges and fit them in between the plate and the soundboard. Keep track of them and their location so when you go to put the plate back in the cabinet, you can adjust them to the correct height. Next, you're going to remove the nose bolt nuts located here, here, and here. Your piano may have them located in different places. I took a clean cotton rag, placed it over the nut, and loosened them with a pair of regular pliers. They each came loose after about half a turn. After I removed those nose bolt nuts, I then removed the dome-shaped nose bolt nuts, which were located next to the pin hooks on the back side of the piano. On my piano there were 3 of them, and you may have more or less, or located in a different area. Once you have removed the nose bolt nuts, you will remove the screws that connect the plate to the pin block. Make sure to check underneath the felt, as there are probably some under that you don't normally see. Keep in mind that there are probably more under the plate that hold the pin block to the cabinet that can only be removed after the plate has been taken out. Finally, you are going to remove the plate screws. The plate screws are quite long, so don't be too surprised if it takes a little bit to remove them. I recommend using a deep well socket with an extension to avoid hurting any of the wood or finish on the inside of the cabinet. Once all the plate screws are loosened, trace a rough outline of the plate on cardboard or a thick piece of paper and place the screws in order so you will return them to their proper placement when reassembling. When removing the plate, do so at your own risk, and whatever you do, don't drop it. To remove the plate, I will be using an engine hoist which can lift well over the weight of the piano plate. If you don't have a lift or a winch, you can get 2 or 3 friends to help you lift it up out of the cabinet and set it aside without much effort. If you are using a lift by yourself, just make sure that it is level as it can be when removing it. Something you can do to avoid scratching the inside of the cabinet is to put painter's tape all around the inside, just to be safe. I place my plate on 3 concrete blocks with 1/2-inch foam pieces in between so that it doesn't get scratched. After the plate has been removed, I put the nose bolt nuts back on their bolts so I don't lose track of them. Then I return back to the wedges so I can record where they were placed and tape them together so I don't lose my measurements. Finally, to remove the pin block, unscrew the final few screws holding it in place to the cabinet. Some pin blocks are glued in, so you have to really make sure that you are doing the appropriate work for your specific piano. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video on how to take the plate and the pin block, which is right here, out of the frame or the cabinet. I hope that you guys tune in to see the future videos that I'm going to put out, and I'll have them somewhere on the screen towards the end of the video. But that's it for this plate removal video, and I appreciate it guys. Take it easy. Bye.